We believe that every child deserves a permanent family, a safe permanent family, especially kids who have been abused or neglected or who have been in the foster care system.
The core mission, I would say, is to ensure that children have safe, permanent, forever homes. I think that's what it all comes down to.
We provide free information, referrals, resources, information to families, and we provide direct legal services and representation to youth who are emancipating from foster care.
Well, I'm very passionate about this issue because I myself am an adoptee, and in addition to that, I have two adopted sons who were adopted out of the foster youth system.
With the Ohio Adoption Photo Listing site, we have over 20,000 visitors, people that actually get on our site and move around and are looking at the information. So we need to make sure that it gets out there so that we can get these people connected.
Families can find information on laws wherever they are in the United States. Attorneys can take a look. We've had judges who have used our site.
But the opportunity to do research on these issues, to track and maintain a database that has cases and allows lawyers from across the country to research these cases, that's a pretty special thing.
We fill a unique role, especially for foster youth and children who have been in foster care, who may have services from other organizations, but don't have the kind of comprehensive legal services, referrals, resources, and counseling that we can provide.
The people bring it the most joy, and the initiatives and getting the information out to people who need it, I think is one of the biggest joys that I get from working here at the center.